guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make bara. To get started, I have some all-purpose flour here and some split piece flour or dal flour. I have some spinach and green onions, warm water. In this bowl I've blended some onions, garlic and peppers. I'll be using some yeast, baking powder. I have bouillon, complete seasoning, black pepper, seasoned salt, some geera, curry powder and turmeric. First things first, you want to combine all of the dry ingredients, the baking powder, yeast, the spices, and the seasoning. We will mix well, and then we will go in with our spinach, scallions, and the blended aromatics. I did blend up my garlic, onion, and peppers because I didn't want them chunky inside of the batter. Then we will add our warm water here and we will mix to form a sticky batter. Once the batter is formed, we'll cover it and allow it to sit in a warm place for about 1 hour before we fry it. After about an hour, now we can go ahead and fry the bara. So what you want to do is grab a bowl with some oil and you want to grease your hands. This will prevent the batter from being sticky and easier to work with. So we'll grab a little bit of the batter, flatten it out into our hands, and then you want to drop it immediately into the hot oil. Now do not heat your oil up too hot, because this will fry super fast and you don't want it to burn on the outside and it doesn't cook on the inside. So you want to keep your heat, to like a medium low temperature. And once they brown on one side, you will flip them over, allow them to brown on the other side, and then you remove them and you carry on with the same process until we're all out of batter. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this. It's kind of like a pulaury batter, but the only difference I think is that you're adding spinach to it. It was so delicious. I did enjoy it with some mango sour. It was soft on the inside, but nice and crispy on the outside. That's exactly how you want your bara. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box. Now, some people do not know how to find the description box. All you have to do is hit the title of the video and you'll see everything in there. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and enjoy.